Greetings and welcome back to another video by Wargaming. Today I show you some stuff from Greenstuffworld. The first one is a beautiful t-shirt. I received 4 t-shirts, 2 for me and 2 for Liam. The second one is a cutting map. It's a perfect for your hobby adventure and for some unboxing. Okay? Why I speak about unboxing? Because today I show you what's inside this box. Don't forget to subscribe to Wargaming, because in the next video Liam will show you how to paint this miniature with a beautiful mega set from Greenstuffworld. Thank you guys for your support, very appreciate. Stay here and stay for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay? Let's start the video.
Alright, let's start with the Greenstuffworld cutting mat. Let's remove the protective plastic. The smell of fresh plastic. Wow, I love it. This cutting mat is A3 size, so it's measure 42 cm by 42 cm. The great thing about this mat is that it can be folded, which make it really easy to store or even carry around if you are traveling and want to build something without ruining grandma table. As you can see in the bottom left corner, it says self-healing cutting mat, which means it will resist small cuts from your hobby knife or other tools. And I can confirm, my old Greenstuff mat has done its job really well over the years, but now the new one is perfect for a new journey. Alright, let's move on the second part of the video. Here I'll show you what's inside the box, and don't forget to follow us because Liam will soon be unboxing the Mega Paint set by Greenstuffworld and paint with it. Inside we have the instruction booklet that allow you to build 6 miniatures, fantastic model, that I think would also work perfect for games like Wargaming. Then we have the decal sheet, a bag with a base and 2 sprues. I was hoping to find a few more head options for customization, but these miniatures they look amazing on the box art. And here we are at the end of the video with this beautiful 6 miniatures ready to be painted. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.